This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the Precious Metal Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is Bob Archer from Newrange Gold Corp. It's a publicly traded company, two symbols for you, NRG on the TSX venture and NRGOF in the U.S. Bob, welcome to SNN.Live.
Robert, great to be here.
It's great to have you. So for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Well, Newrange is a gold explorer, focused mainly on our Pamlico project in western Nevada.
All right, so we had Newrange Gold on last year at this conference, so let's get an update. What's been going on with the company?
Well, I guess at a very high level, you would have had Bob Carrington on last year. He was the president and CEO at the time. We've since divided his roles into two parts. He's still president and works out of Nevada on the project itself, and I took on the role of CEO in January of this year, and kind of looking after the capital markets side of the business and administrative issues, that sort of thing. So that's the biggest thing. And then on the project itself, we've been continuing with our underground mapping and sampling program, and looking forward to doing some IP geophysics this year and getting back into drilling.
So what would you say about this project makes it unique when compared to some of your peers out there?
I think there's two things really. One, it's a very high grade past producing district. It goes back to the discovery of gold in 1884, and the second thing is that it's been privately owned since 1896, and consequently there really hasn't been very much modern day exploration done on the project at all. So it's not quite virgin territory, but there's a lot of underground workings, about 300 old underground workings, and so there's obviously gold there. We can still pick up coarse visible gold on the dumps, but it's in terms of development and so on, it's at a relatively early stage.
So as you said in the update, you are the new CEO. You just came in January. So let's get your background. What is your experience in the mining industry and prior to coming and joining Newrange?
Well, I am an exploration geologist. I've been in the industry my entire career, but some people might know me as a co-founder of Great Panther, now Great Panther Mining, and so I myself and my partner started Great Panther in 2004, and I developed that company through until 2017. As a producer, so from concept to producer through that time, and so a lot of experience building companies, making discoveries and building teams, all that sort of good stuff. So good solid background there.
And then from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's value catalysts now for the rest of 2019 going into 2020?
A few things. We're in the process of monetizing our Colombian assets right now, as the company shifted its focus into the U.S. in 2016. So that'll provide a cash injection into the company and reduce any desperate need to go back to the markets or anything like that. And then with that, we can continue with the geophysics that we want to do to develop some more drill targets, continuing with the underground mapping and sampling that we're doing, and ultimately get back into drilling hopefully before the end of the year.
And where can our audience go and find more information about Newrange?
You can get it on our website at newrangegold.com.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the Precious Metal Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me again has been Bob Archer from Newrange Gold Corp, publicly traded company. The symbols are NRG on the TSX venture and NRGOF in the U.S. Bob, it was a pleasure. Thank you for joining me.
Thanks very much, Robert.